Picture being at a campsite, quietly sipping coffee, and then hearing the rumble of a 3.8-liter V6 waking up. That sound, it's your shuttle to real-life freedom. This is the 2025 Nissan Frontier packing raw gasoline power into a rugged midsize pickup that still feels honest in a world of hybrids. You've probably been hearing whispers as that Frontier's still alive. And yes, for 2025, Nissan doubled down his same 3.8L V6 producing 310 horsepower and 281 lb of torque, the only naturally aspirated engine in this class. That means you get smooth, linear power without complexity. 0 to 60 in around 7.3 seconds. No electric motors. No overhyped hybrid gimmicks. Just real truck feel. The towing capacity climbed too, now rated at 750 pounds. That's up 500 lobbies over last year. Haul your boat, trailer, or weekend toys with confidence. Payload maxes out at about 160-20 lobs depending on configuration. If you think Nissan cheaped out, think again. Starting price is just $30.50 for the base King Cab 4x2. At the top end, the fully loaded SL Crew Cab 4x4 with long bed rings and around $45,600. That's standout value in today's truck market. The exterior got some love too. Squared off fascia, new grille and bumper design, fresh alloy wheels, and an eye-catching afterburn orange paint option. It looks tougher and more purposeful than ever. Inside, thoughtful and simple. SV trims and higher get a crisp 12.3-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus wireless phone charging and a wide, open sliding rear window. The SL adds leather seats, heated steering wheel, and a leather-wrapped steering wheel. Safety tech is solid too. Lane departure warning, blind spot alerts, adaptive cruise control, and even the around view monitor with off-road mode on the Pro 4X. How's rear seating? Rear legroom runs about 26 inches, not luxury, but functional. The bed length is flexible, with options for 5-foot or 6-foot beds depending on crew or king cab choices. You can mix up 17 unique configurations across trims and bed sizes. Fuel economy. Expect about 18 mpg city and up to 24 mpg highway. That's not hybrid territory, but close enough for a gas-only truck that tows heavy and lasts long. What's the vibe behind the wheel? Real, world testers call it refreshingly old school. It doesn't have all the flash of bigger trucks, but it delivers reliability, roominess, and honest performance. One tester paid around at $40-80K for a loaded Pro 4X and said it's everything most people need in a mid-sized truck, and less fuss, more substance. Now, let me ask you, would you take a gas-powered truck over a hybrid or electric version if it meant more simplicity and lower long-term cost? Do you want straightforward strength instead of unpredictable complexity? With the Frontier, Nissan gives you just one drivetrain, but it's proven and solid. No hybrid shutdowns in the cold, no reduced towing capacity because of battery weight, just consistent V6 torque. If you spend time towing, camping, hauling gear, or even commuting with heavy payloads, this truck holds up, with less risk of expensive repairs down the road. Plus, insanely easy to fix anywhere with service, thanks to the simple engine layout. So here's the big moment. If you were shopping midsize pickups, would you go with the tech overload or choose simplicity and proven muscle? Could the Frontier still be your daily driver, weekend warrior, and trouble-free hauler in one package? If this peek into the 2025 Frontier got you thinking, or fired you up, hit that subscribe button right now. Throw a like on the video, and drop a comment telling me where you'd take your Frontier first. Mountains, worksite, quiet highway escape. This is breaklimitZ, where no-nonsense trucks meet real adventures. I'll see you on the next ride.